Get vertical lines and make wall tall. Let's talk about wall tiling. Wall tiles are excellent thing because it becomes easy to clean and you don't have to repaint your wall after every few years. Using tiles, you can create patterns on your wall. Vertical lines on wall raises your eyes up and makes ceiling feel higher. You must have seen so many walls with vertical bands or vertical lines. Until today, you never really understood what was the purpose, but it's going to change now. Vertical lines on wall makes eyes follow it. Your eyes will follow up. It will rise up. And this gives a feeling of a taller room. It will make you feel room with a raised ceiling. Here's what I want you to do henceforth. If you ever notice any wall with vertical lines, observe it. Chances are that the place or room wanted itself to look with raised ceiling. This is true not just for modern interiors, but you will also find ancient monuments and structures which have used this design principle. In fact, this is applicable also to shirts and dresses you wear. One with vertical lines will make you appear taller than you actually are. If you are dealing with a room which has a very low ceiling, go for vertical lines. This could be done using wallpaper or through painting or wooden paneling or using tiles. All this will give a feeling of raised ceiling in the room.